Marketplace isn't available to you, easy fix. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video we are going to learn how you can solve the problem if Facebook says that Marketplace isn't available to you, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So basically, if you open up Facebook here and then you just go to the Marketplace icon here, and then it simply says you that Marketplace isn't available, there are a couple of ways that you can fix it. So first of all, instead of trying to access Marketplace from here, tap the three lines option there. Then just scroll down here to the See More tab and then simply look for Marketplace and then tap the Marketplace option there and then see if that helps you. After that, what you can also try doing is to simply long press the Facebook app icon, tap the I button to come to the app information page. From here, simply go to storage, clear the cache files, and also make sure to clear the data. Now sometimes Facebook might have restricted your ability to use Marketplace. In that case, one thing that you can try to do is just simply try to connect to a VPN. So if you have a VPN application, could be free or paid, doesn't really matter. As long as you can connect to a certain region in a VPN, just connect aside from your region. After that, open up Facebook and try to access Marketplace and see if that helps you. So hope this video helped you guys as to how you can fix Marketplace isn't available to you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.